Hello, it's Crafty Rhea and welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today I will be unboxing this Tonic Studios birthday mystery bundle. I ordered this last week, I believe, and during their birthday week, and they sold out pretty quick, and I was very lucky to get one. I don't think I've ever ordered from their website before. I have used their products, and I have their big 12 by 12 paper trimmer and some of their scissors, but I have not ordered directly from their website. So this is my first time ordering, and I am really excited about this. So the mystery bundle was, I think it was $55, and they said you would get about $200 worth of goodies inside. So let's go ahead and open this and see what we have. I'm going to move it out of the way. I'm going to move the paper away. I have my packing slip, and yes, it was $55 plus tax and $6.95 shipping. And I did order one thing other than the bundle. I ordered from their Christmas sale this classic card fern green. There's 10 sheets inside. It is a textured cardstock. I always need a Christmas green, and I have a hard time finding it. So I went ahead and picked that up. So it was $2.09 for a pack of 10. And I like that they come in these nice plastic sleeves. So that was not included in the bundle. That was just an extra goodie. And here is the bundle. It's a really big bag. So I'm going to set it over to the side, and I'll take things out one at a time. I'll go ahead and start with what's on the bottom, and it's all the cardstocks. So the first one is this classic card, navy blue cardstock. It is the same type of texture as that green, and there are 10 sheets in this stack. I don't know what these are regular price, maybe $4. I know the green one was on sale for $2, so that's not a bad deal. And then this fuchsia pink, again, 8.5 by 11 cardstock, and it's that same textured. There's 10 sheets in that pack. And then look at this. It is a mirror card, electric purple. There's 5 sheets in here, and I was just saying, if you watched one of my last videos, that I don't have purple cardstock, but this is a mirror cardstock. It's metallic purple. That is gorgeous. Of course, I'm going to use that. And then there is this spice basket cotton paper. It contains 5 sheets, and it looks like a copper basket weave kind of. So that's really cool. The back of it's black, but it is embossed with like a basket weave pattern on there. I think you can see that pretty good. And it's kind of a copper color. That's really interesting. I don't have anything like that. And then the last paper pack here is Salmon Harlequin. Again, there's 5 sheets in here, and the back is white, but the front has the salmon color. And it's this really shimmery almost looking, and it's got that really neat texture to it. Now, I've not used any of their papers ever before, so this is going to be new for me, but those are really cool. And of course, the regular colors of the cardstock, of course, I can use those. That's not a problem. And then I'll just reach in and grab something out of the bag. This is a Nuvo adhesive tape runner. It's a mini, it's 5 millimeters by 6 meters dotted blue tape. Now this will come in handy if I ever again go to craft day or something and I don't want to bring this big thing. I could use this little guy. Or if I'm ever traveling and want to take my crafts along with me. Not that I travel much anymore, but that would come in handy for that. So I will put that aside. I'll probably put it right in my travel case. And then we got these Tim Holtz haberdashery scissors. Take that plastic off. And these are a 6-inch blade. This is really heavy. I think they're in a tin. It's in a tin. High durability, soft grip, titanium coated blades. So they're resistant to rust and corrosion, high durability, strengthened for high durability, and they're ultra sharp blades. These could be good for, you know, fabrics or whatever, and they're in that really nice case. So that's kind of cool. I don't have anything like that. I don't have any Tim Holtz scissors at all. And then the other scissors in here were these Tonic Studios titanium coated blade fine control crafter snip, and they are just a small blade, so they could be like for precision cutting. So that's pretty cool. So I got a couple of scissors. And then something that's new to me, I don't have any of these types of things. These Nuvo products. We have Nuvo Vintage Drops. They add matte dimensional details to craft products. And this is in vanilla milkshake. It looks actually almost it looks vanilla on camera, but it's almost a peach color in real life. So I don't know. I've never used those before. So if any of you use them, let me know what to do with them. And then I'll have to look it up and see. This is Nuvo Glitter Drops. They're add dimensional details to craft products. And this one is in the shade Spring Frost. And it is a green glitter. Here, let me open these. I'm going to get my other Tonic scissors out. Let me get them out of these little packets so you can see it better. This has a lot of green or a lot of shimmer to it. Now, I don't know if these make just the round drops or if they're like stickles. If you guys know, let me know. Same thing with this. Do I use it like stickles or do I do something different with it? I'll have to look that up. It's got this neat little tag on it. Nuvo Vintage Drops. So yeah, let me know about that. And this one is, it's hard to read through this plastic because the plastic is not very clear. This is Nuvo Glitter Accents in Harvest Moon. Now, this looks like it might be something like stickles. But there's they're all 3 different types of product, which is interesting. I'd love to try them. But if you know any tips on those, please let me know. Please share. All right. And then I have one more Nuvo product. This is Embellishment Mousse. It adds metallic dimensional details to your craft products. And this is in Lemon Sorbet. And it looks like a metallic yellow. So that's kind of neat. Again, I'm going to have to look it up and see what exactly to do with that. Then we have, now we're on to just flat stuff. This is Topper Essentials 4x6 stamp set. They're really pretty. Look at all those flowers. We have My Love for You Grows Each and Every Day. From the bottom of my heart, you are always in my thoughts, wishing you a beautiful day, and I'm so lucky to have a friend like you. So that's really neat. And that's some rubber stamps or acrylic stamps. Very cool. And then I have Blue Blossom pattern paper double-sided. I should have to open this. Let's see if I can get this pack open so I can do a flip through. Of course, when I want to do it on camera, it doesn't want to open. There we go. I have not used their paper at all before. And it's double-sided. It does have a really nice feel to it. We have this blue with that on the back. I guess there's several sheets of the same color. Then we have this. This reminds me of like a man's jacket, like a tweed jacket. And this pink, like a gingham, and then the polka dot on the back. And then this one here is like this pinkish purple color with the diamonds on the back. Very cool. That's really nice paper. It feels really nice, almost linen-like. So that's really cool. Then we have this Winter Wonderland stencil. Contains one stencil. It's hard to see what it is, but that's what it looks like. So that would be good for Christmas cards. Now we're into, it looks like dies. And this is Tonic Studios Gates of Atlantis Mosaic Die Set. It contains 3 metal craft dies. And it is not quite 6 inches long. It's 5.6 inches. And the my Sizzix is, or my Big Shot is 6 inches wide, so it will work in there. Tonic does have a bunch of dies that are bigger than 6 inches. And here's what the dies on the inside look like. And there's an example of the projects you can make with it. That's really pretty. Okay, and then we have, this one contains 5 dies. This is 5 1/4 or 5.4 inches by 5.3 inches, not 5 1/4. And this is the Four Seasons Loving Winter die set, and it makes that wreath. So I guess you have the front part of the wreath, the background, and then the warmest winter wishes with the background. So those are your 4 dies, which is kind of neat because you can layer them. Pretty awesome. Like it. Then we have this, which is the Photos and Film Strips die set. And this contains 20 dies. And here are the dies on the back. And I think you get the little cutouts that go in that film strip. So you can make this pocket that looks like a Polaroid, and this film strip, and then these different words that you could cut out of it. Love is, believe, adore, always, new baby, remember, celebrate on this day, and then those little hearts. So there's a bunch of little things you can cut out of that. I don't think this is part of it. That's a different die set, and I think that box is a different die set. But it goes with the My Memory Book die set. Well, that's kind of neat. And then we have this one I love. This Butterfly Blush Pretty Pop-Ups. Contains 8 dies. And it doesn't say the widest die. As long as, well, I don't think they are too wide. As long as it's not more. It's 3 by 5, 3.5 by 6.3, so it will fit if the 6-inch part goes the long way. So that's good. And these butterflies, I think it cuts out the outside and then you lift up the inside. So you can make them 3-dimensional. And then those are the dies that are included. So that's kind of neat. I can't wait to play with some of this stuff. And then we have this Floating Florals die set. It contains 4 dies, and it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches, so that will fit in my regular die cutting machine. That was one thing I was a little worried about, that the dies wouldn't fit. And here are the dies. And what I think it does is it makes the front of the card bow out like that, so you can have a 3-dimensional card. Or I think you can also lay it flat if you wanted, because that one looks flat. So that's kind of neat. And the last thing in here is this die. It's your Day Beautiful Bracelet. And it measures 5.9 by 5.9, so that will just fit. I believe the plates are 6 inches wide. So that is pretty awesome. That'll just fit. And that makes that pretty die cut there. So you get these dies in it. So you don't even have to use the big one. You could use that It's Your Day and then mat it on that little one of the round ones. So that's kind of cool. It contains 6 dies. So there we go. This is the birthday week. This kit was $55. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies, a stencil, a stamp set, a pad of 6x6 paper, 4 Nuvo products. Well, if you count this little tape, that would be 5, but 4 of these Nuvo different mediums to play with, which is neat because I'll try new things. This little tape, 2 pair of scissors. These scissors are about $18 retail, so just so you know. And then these little guys. And then, not including the green, 5 packs of paper. So that's pretty good. I think I got my money's worth. Let me know down below what your favorite product was out of this whole thing and what you'd like to see me do first in a video. I'm not sure which one I'll use first, but leave me a comment below and you never know what I'll do. If you want to see me do something in particular, give me a shout. Let me know. Thanks again, everyone, for watching. I do appreciate all of you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love for you to click that subscribe button and then click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And of course, as always, leave a comment below. Head on over to my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea. I'd love to have you over there. And also check out my Patreon. The link is below. Thanks again, everyone, for watching. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.